Hi, I'm now going to show you how you mount the Rottefella SkateX binding onto a ski with the new Rottefella Adaptive Plate. I'm now going to attach the heel to the binding house. Firstly, you have to find the correct slot according to your shoe size. The number 1 to 11 is engraved into the underside of the binding house. 1 is approximately size 37 and 11 is around 47. To attach the two pieces together, you put the heel piece into the binding and push until you hear a click. Slide the binding onto the plate starting from top. Make sure all edges of the binding grasps on both sides of the mounting plate. Stop approximately halfway. Place the insert into the front of the binding. Push firmly down and continue to push the binding backwards. When it stops, you push firmly down on each side of the insert until you hear a click. The binding is in 0 position when the marked 0 is visible over the move handle. To move the binding forward, you turn the move handle counterclockwise. And to move the binding backward, you turn the move handle clockwise.